大家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host, a native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one useful Mandarin word or phrase that you can start using right away. Today's word is 容易. 容易. It means easy. You'll hear this word all the time in everyday Mandarin. Let's learn how native speakers use it. Today's word is 容易. 容易. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 容易. 容易. Again, 容易. One more time. 容易. Let's look at the tones. 容 uses the second tone. Your voice rises. 容, 容. 易 uses the fourth tone. Your voice drops. 易, 易. Now say them together. 容易, 容易, 容易. 容 means to contain or to allow. 易 means easy or simple. When you put them together, 容易, 容易 means easy. Now let's build your Mandarin. Once you know the word 容易, you can build a few useful expressions. 很容易, 很容易, very easy. 不容易, 不容易, not easy. Notice how adding just one character changes the meaning completely. Simple, but very useful. Native speakers often say, 说比做容易. 说比做容易. 说 is to say. 比 is to compare. 做 is to do. 容易 is easy. So when you put them together, to say, compare to do, easy. It's very similar to the English expression, easier said than done. For example, imagine your friend says, I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. every day. You smile and say, 说比做容易. 说比做容易. Easier said than done. You'll hear this expression whenever people want to remind someone that talking about something is much easier than taking action. As you follow this channel, with more and more Mandarin words and phrases you learn along the way, now you can say, 学中文很容易. 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 Learning Mandarin is easy. See, every new word you learn makes it a little easier. So 加油, everyone. And that's your daily Mandarin word. 容易, 容易. Let's practice together 3 times. 容易, 容易, 容易. 好，大家下次见咯。See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a word.